All right, guys, today is another day, and I'm going to be sharing with you another strategy, which is the volume profile. Using volume profile to trade. So we use volume profile to enter this trade, and you're going to be seeing how it works. And the last time we discussed about GBPUSD, we sold and sold and sold and sold until we sold everything out of GBPUSD. So right now we are also going to be buying. We bought, so we are going to be explaining how we make the entry on the buys on GBPUSD. So stay tuned, guys. I know you're going to enjoy this video, right? That was why I took the profits, because I saw the buy accumulation. So as you can see that the buyer started coming in here, drastically. They started coming in, loading a lot of buys, loading a lot of buys, loading a lot of buys. So nobody should be selling here. Nobody should be selling here except uninformed traders. So if you're uninformed, you wouldn't know what is happening here, and you're going to think that this is a sell trend. As you can see, you are going to be bearish. So if you draw this line, something like this, all right, so you are going to be bearish there, because you say, wow, this trend line is making lower lows and lower highs, and you're going to be bearish. Whereas the informed traders, the professional traders, they are going to be buying the lows here, they are going to be buying the lows here, they are going to be buying the lows here, so until they actually make the money. So they'll buy here, take some profits, they'll buy here, take some profits, they're going to buy here and make some money. You understand? So they are actually right, at the end of the game. So this looks like it's very bearish. Actually, it's not actually bearish. Even some will have entered here and boom, so the price actually bought. So now let me introduce you to volume profile. Volume profile is also another tool that institutional guys use. So as you can see that sellers are actually here, so you don't have to be buying here, because you can see a whole lot of sellers here. So this buy is just a trap, they trap the buyers here. What about here? We have some little sellers here. As you can see, we have some little sellers. And what about here? We still have very, very few sellers here. But what about here? No sellers here at all. No sellers. Nobody is selling here. It's only buyers here. That is why you see this kind of this pin rejection here, because there is actually no sellers here. It's only buyers that is here. So the volume profile also shows us if there are few sellers or there are few buyers there. You understand? So, and the price actually moved in the favor, and it has given us over 50 pips from this particular low here. So, and if you also check the order, you're going to notice that there are only buyers here. So aggressive buyers, aggressive buyers, aggressive buyers, aggressive buyers, aggressive buyers everywhere. All right. So that is why you are going to be buying on all this, not actually selling. So this is very good, for us. So, and it has reached the first target, which is actually here. So that is a nice move. So guys, this is another platform which is showing us the sentiment of the commercials. As you can see that we sold here. We sold above this candle here, which is this particular candle here, and we took our profits. I think it was around here or here. So we took some profit, and we started loading the buys, because we only saw the buys, and we saw the commercials actually buying. They are going long. When the commercials are going long, it doesn't mean that the price will actually react to it immediately. So it's take a bit of time, and the market maker will use that process to load some orders, and that is what you are seeing here. They're loading some orders here, they're loading some orders here, and they loaded some orders here. and they are also taking stop losses of impatient traders. So, but we know that the direction is definitely up. We know that the direction is definitely up, and that is why we keep buying. We bought some here, we took profits here because we saw them coming down again. As you can see, we saw them coming down again. We bought some here, and we bought the last here and here, and the price actually went up. So this is the commercial sentiment. This is going to show us if they are bullish or they are bearish. It's going to go before the price, so it shows us what the price is going to do, and that is actually what the price is doing. So from now we are actually in profit, and so if you can it from this low to this particular high, we are in almost, I think, 50 pips, approximately 50 pips. So which is very, very good. And we have taken some pips here, some pips here. So we have made over 100 pips in this particular trade without it moving, much, because you know what to do and you know the time you are going to actually do it. So if you also check the market maker, let's just check when the market maker started putting in some orders into the markets. So this is when the market maker started putting some orders. You can see all the sellers are still here. So we don't sell here. We don't want to sell anything around here. You understand? We don't want to sell because the market maker are still short. So you don't want to trade against the market maker. You don't want to do that. You can't afford to, play with them with your money. You can't do that. So, but look at from here, they started putting some long position here, some long position here, and some long position here. So these are the places where you can enter and make a whole lot of profit, and that is what I did. And on some other institutional traders, that is what we all did, and we are making some money. As you can see, the price is actually going in favor. And you can see that this is a clear divergence. This is not a moving average. You understand? So we are going to see what will happen before it happens. So if market maker are not taking profit, we are not going to actually take our own. We are not going to take our own profit, and we are not going to put in the buy orders, because we saw them taking their profit. That is why we took our profits here from the sell here, and we are putting in the buy orders, and boom, everything actually bought. And also, if you go to, using the technical analysis, you will notice that, we are in a very, very good demand zone. We are in a very good demand zone, and we have a high pre number here, 1.36000. So that is a very high pre number that you can also rely on. And those are the things. We also have some other things. I'm just showing you just two, from these, but we have a lot of things that we use. So I'm showing you two from these, and the other ones, three from that. So that's a very, very good tools that when you have, you'll be able to make good trades and good decisions. Okay, that will be the end of this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.